Are you a therapist looking to fill your calendar with more clients? The secret isn't just in referrals. It's in digital marketing. In the next few minutes, I'm giving you the top 3 digital marketing tips to boost your visibility and attract more patients. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we help healthcare professionals, especially therapists, grow their practice through effective digital marketing strategies. Today, I'm breaking down 3 key digital marketing trends that every therapist needs to know. Whether you're just starting your practice or want to take it to the next level, these tips are for you. Section 1, the power of SEO for therapists. Let's start with SEO search engine optimization. It's not just a buzzword, it's the magic that makes your website show up on the first page of Google. Imagine a potential client typing best therapist near me and your practice is the first thing they see. Pro tip, make sure your website is optimized with relevant keywords like therapy for anxiety or depression counseling. Also, don't forget to fully optimize your Google business profile. This alone can help you appear in local search results. Section 2, engaging social media content. Next up, social media. Yep, Instagram and TikTok aren't just for influencers. Therapists can use these platforms to build trust and provide value to potential clients. Short, engaging content like reels, stories, or even TikToks can work wonders. Trending strategy. Post 30-second videos on mental health tips or self-care advice. These are quick, easy to make, and can get a ton of engagement. You can even share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your practice to help potential clients feel more comfortable reaching out. Section 3, patient testimonials and email marketing. People trust other people's experiences more than your advertising. That's why patient testimonials are golden. Feature reviews on your website and social media to build credibility. Bonus tip, don't sleep on email marketing. Sending out monthly newsletters with mental health tips, blog updates, or even session availability keeps your current and potential clients engaged. It's a great way to stay top of mind without being too pushy. Section 4, attracting more patients. Here's the bottom line. Use digital marketing to build trust before someone ever walks into your office. Offer value up front, whether it's a free resource, a webinar, or simply engaging with your audience on social media. This not only positions you as an expert, but also makes clients more likely to choose you when they're ready for therapy. Quick tip, if you have a budget, consider running targeted ads on Google or Facebook to reach potential clients in your local area. The right ad strategy can bring in a steady stream of patients. So there you have it, 3 powerful digital marketing strategies for therapists to boost your visibility and attract more patients. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below with any questions. Ready to take your practice to the next level? Check out the link in the description to learn how I can help you grow your online presence. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help getting started.